following is a presentation of Western Farmers Electric Cooperative. You don't see many 1968 cars on the highway these days. Today, you are more likely to find those classics at a car show. But unlike automobiles, WFEC is still getting good use from its older generation units. This includes the gas-fired unit built in 1968 at Mooreland. Unit 2 has been a dependable source of electric power for over 4 decades. But keeping a power generator performing at its peak requires a disciplined, routine maintenance plan. The lead on the Unit 2 overhaul is Senior Generation Engineer Kevan. Years of experience have taught him to be ready for anything when you take the lid off a turbine.
The scope of the outage is a full HP IP turbine, LP turbine, overhaul. The valves are being overhauled, the generator is being inspected on warranty, and we're overhauling some of our major pumps, and we're doing some routine boiler work.
This routine inspection is completed based on the number of run hours which is recommended by the original equipment manufacturer, Siemens. The processes of inspection vary from part to part. Some metallurgical testing was done on the HP IP turbine parts. Most of the seals were replaced throughout the LP and HP IP turbines. The main oil pump was removed for shop inspection. Cracks were found in the HP IP turbine inner case. These cracks were evaluated and repaired per Siemens recommendation.
Generator, we went through and did a thorough inspection on its warranty. It's 2 years since we overhauled it.
The original plan for the turbine valves was to replace valve seats and plugs. Cracks in the metal were found that needed additional repair. Valve bushings were found out of tolerance and additional machining was completed on those. Several stories above Unit 2's generator floor, personnel performed routine inspection on the boiler tubes. Several tubes were cut out and replaced. In addition to the turbine and boiler work, the circulating water pumps had been in service since the unit began operation nearly 46 years ago. The pumps were in really good shape, relatively, considering they had been running that long, Riley observed. They did need substantial work. We removed the corroded pump can areas, relined the pumps, and relocated them. Once the pump repairs were complete, we regrouted and replumbed the bases and reseated the pumps back into their original holes. Riley stated that the turbine technicians from Siemens did an excellent job. He also cited TEI technicians for their work on Unit 2's boiler, and E-Pumps for their refurbishing of its recirculating water pumps.
Oh, everybody's working very well. We've got very high quality workmanship on the job. Siemens is the original equipment manufacturer. They're our main contractor on the turbine work, and they've been doing a great job for us. They've been supporting us very well. We've got TEIs working for us on the boiler, and E-Pumps is refurbishing the circulating water pumps.
Mooreland's Unit 2 is expected to return to operation in early January 2014. For more information about the work on Unit 2 at Mooreland, see this edition of the Intercom magazine. This has been a presentation of Western Farmers Electric Cooperative.